Have you ever had one of those days where you just can't seem to remember where you put your keys or the name of that movie you saw last week? If so, don't just write it off as one of those days because it might be your brain giving you a message. I'm here to help you decode it, but hold off before rushing out to buy memory-boosting drugs. What if you could boost your brain power just by consuming delectable foods? What if your next meal could improve your memory and cognitive function while simultaneously teasing your taste buds well? Strap up because we are about to get into the area of brain enhancing today. 5 meals that boost your memory and brain power will be revealed. Believe me, you'll be filling your grocery basket at the conclusion of this video with a renewed feeling of purpose. And don't worry, you won't forget any of them because we'll make your memory as sharp as an assault and ready to energize your brain. Let's start now. Number 1. Fatty fish. You know, when the subject of brain-boosting foods comes up, one superstar that's usually leading the pack is, you got it, fatty fish. Now I can already hear some of you asking, fatty, aren't we meant to avoid fats? Let's clarify that. The fatty fish we're referring to include salmon, trout, albacore tuna, herring, and sardines. They are all swimming, or should I say overflowing, with omega-3 fatty acids. Let's get into some interesting facts about the brain. Your brain is 60% fat. But here's the real kicker: the brain uses omega-3 fatty acids, which are abundant in fish, to build brain and nerve cells, the superhighways for your thoughts and memories. Omega-3s are like the construction workers of your brain, helping you learn and retain information. But the benefits of omega-3s don't just stop there. They may also act as your brain's bodyguards, slowing down age-related mental decline. Second, broccoli. Now that we've moved on from our aquatic friends, let's turn to a superfood that is frequently found in the produce section, but may not always be in your grocery cart. I'm talking about the mini trees that we all love or hate to hate, but I promise that broccoli is worth a second look, especially when we're talking about your brain health. Why, you ask? Well, it's because this vegetable is bursting with powerful plant compounds, including, if that isn't amazing enough, let's speak about the vitamin K content of broccoli. You may not think much about this vitamin, but it has a significant impact on the health of your brain. Just 1 cup of cooked broccoli provides more than 100% of the daily recommended consumption. You may be asking what makes vitamin K so remarkable after hearing that statement almost exactly. This fat-soluble vitamin is essential for spingolipids, a kind of fat that is tightly packed inside your brain cells. On third number, we have blueberries. Now let's leave the vegetable aisle and visit the fruit aisle, where a champion in the world of nutritious meals awaits us. A modest but mighty brain enhancer. Blueberries and other brightly colored berries are full of anthocyanins, which are plant compounds with strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Why does your brain love these antioxidants? Because they act as a dual force field against oxidative stress and inflammation. Blueberries are tiny, vibrant powerhouses that offer a ton of health benefits. But let's focus on the ones that make your brain say thank you. 2 ailments that might interfere with your brain's ability to function quickly. But here's where it gets more interesting, because certain antioxidants in blueberries physically get into your brain to protect it from aging and pave the way for neurodegenerative illnesses. They also enhance communication between brain cells. Fourth, turmeric. Let's take a short detour into the world of spices and talk about one in particular that has been making a lot of noise lately. It is turmeric, the star of curry powder and a powerhouse for your brain. If you're wondering why turmeric is such a big deal, it's all thanks to curcumin, the substance that gives turmeric its vivid, deep yellow color. Here's a fun fact. Because curcumin has a VIP ticket that enables it to penetrate the blood-brain barrier, it may enter your brain directly and begin doing its magic there and then. Curcumin is an outstanding antioxidant and anti-inflammatory substance. Your brain can experience some astonishing advantages thanks to these skills. For those suffering from Alzheimer's disease in particular, curcumin may improve memory. It is also believed to help remove amyloid plaques, unwanted deposits, which are frequently linked to Alzheimer's. One crucial point to remember is that the majority of research employ pills with highly concentrated curcumin. Since turmeric only contains about 3 to 6% curcumin, adding a dash to your dishes can be a tasty and healthy addition. However, these frequently contain between 500 and 2,000 milligrams of curcumin per day, which is significantly more than you get from sprinkling turmeric on your food. Fifth, cup of coffee. You'll enjoy what I have to say. The wonderful aroma of coffee is what motivates you to get out of bed every morning. Coffee packs a 1-2 punch for your brain. It's packed with caffeine and antioxidants, two essential nutrients that support brain health. To explain how caffeine works, first consider that it acts like a club bouncer by blocking adenosine, a chemical messenger that makes you want to hit the snooze button. This is why drinking coffee in the morning makes you feel awake and energized. But caffeine doesn't stop there. It also stimulates some of your feel-good neurotransmitters like dopamine. So if your morning cup of coffee makes you a little happier, it's chemistry, not magic. So go ahead and pour yourself another cup. It's not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a toast to your brain health. If you like and found this video informative, please help us out by sharing it. Press the like button. It's not only. Remember to subscribe and enable notifications to stay up to date with more exciting content, because we've got a lot more in store for you. Keep in mind that your brain health is in your hands, so let's make every meal count. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay smart and maintain your memory. See you in the following video.